Alright folks, today I'm going to do a little experiment. I'm going to stand outside of the post office and record people going in and out. But I'm going to have the camera mounted on my chest instead of holding it in my hand. My theory is nobody will care or even notice. Unlike the First Amendment auditors who hold the camera in their hand and point it directly at people. It's basically the pointing that gets people mad. So without further ado, here's the experiment. Look, there's two entrances. You can go in through here. This leads to the P.O. boxes. Then I guess this leads to the front desk. By the way, it's 2:32 on a Tuesday, the afternoon. We have a loitering red car. Then this lady that just came out. Then this lady on foot. Yeah, see, if I was the auditor with the big camera rig, they would have said something by now. They'll just post up right here. So then I can turn whatever direction the people are coming. Yeah, look, dude. Look. Both hands are free. The camera's mounted on my chest and I just face my torso in somebody's general direction. I give off the vibe of somebody who's just waiting around with the scooter. And I swear some woman came out and then she like went back in. So maybe she's the first to notice. Here's what I'll do. I'll post up and just watch this door. And if anybody goes to that door, I'll just turn the camera that way. Pedestrian on foot. See, plus I gotta turn my entire body to aim the camera because it's mounted directly on my chest. GoPro. I'll just post up right here. That way I have a complete enfilade. Or is it defilade? No, it's enfilade of both the doors. It may be if they come out of the far door, I'll crop in post-production. Yeah, you gotta understand, some of these people probably saw the camera. The camera's clearly visible. It would take a extra high-level Karen to say something about the GoPro. It does make for a pretty good auditing experiment. Let's see, the auditors, they usually get really close to the door right here and then just hold the camera in their hand. Okay, that's enough. I'll do a walkthrough and look at the P.O. boxes, and then I'll go. I'm pretty sure I've made my point. Like walking up on me and stuff. Yeah, in this case, the camera. Here it is. Post office. Nothing too crazy going on. And here it is, the P.O. boxes. Oh, look at these posters. Here's one with a whale. An orca, if you will. All right. See, I don't know why this door says closed. Yeah, look.
Are you done?
Yes.
Most of this Friday Hill Express, we'll get there at 1.
Okay, I know why the door said closed, because it says open on the other side. And they wanted to use the open half to let people know you can enter the post office from the P.O. box area. What's that guy doing? Look, I don't get this mailbox. What is this? Is it closed? I haven't put a letter in a mailbox in years. Yeah, they used to look different back in the day. There was a thing that you move. Yeah, see, I haven't used... Usually when I send snail mail, I do it from my own mailbox. I suppose they don't have the California flag because it's a federal installation. Wearing a mask, 2026. Near the bike rack. If I'm making a weird wheezing sound, I don't know, man. Probably allergies or something. She's afraid of germs. Yeah, this is about the traffic that the auditors get. Yep, pretty fast. Yeah, see, they noticed the scooter, but not the camera. Alright, that about does it. The experiment on auditing with the camera mounted on your chest and not in your hand. Seems like my theory was confirmed. Get a few good old California license plates. Tesla with a rear plate. But holy hell, I'll be damned, a Tesla with a front plate. Well, the guy's in there. I didn't even notice. The guy was in that Tesla. Yo, the Nissan, no front license plate. Cracked windshield. Maybe they're from out of state. Nope. Long Beach, California. Okay, and with that, I'm truly ending this audit, if you can even call it an audit. If the camera's not in your hand and people don't notice it, can you really call it an audit? Alright folks, and it seems my theory was correct. If you're wearing the camera on your chest, barely anybody notices or cares. So if you found this video entertaining or informative, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.